Hello and welcome back for another Gala Games prize prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next prize targets here on the Gala Games chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Gala Games has lost a key area of support at around the $0.02616 mark, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue seeing further breakdown. And I'll be giving you my minimum target areas for that pullback to the lower side using the Fibonacci's. And by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, you can see that Gala Games, after giving us this massive crash on the 10th of June in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.01806 mark, we started this nice recovery to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that on the charts I'm terming that as a first wave to the upside. Then we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. Then we saw a very nice reaction of the target area and started an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And I also gave you target areas for that third wave to the upside by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.2881 mark, which is an area that we fully maximized. Then afterwards, we saw this breakdown move over here in what I've been terming as the formation of this wave 4, in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area for that fourth wave to the lower side between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5. And you can see that afterwards we saw a bit of a bounce to the upside in what I was terming as the start of the formation of this wave 5. But you can see afterwards we lost momentum and we are seeing another breakdown into this blue target area. So there are chances that we are still in the formation of this wave 4, and maybe this is an ABC corrective structure that is in formation right here, and that will also make me to extend my target area back to the fib level 0.5, so that we can have more room for us to make one more new low in the formation of that wave 5, then continue heading further up in the formation of this wave 5 to the upper side. So there are chances that we are still in the formation of this wave 4, breaking down in an ABC corrective structure, where the wave C can give us one more leg down before we can start an impulse to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, completing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1. That is the first possible scenario that we need to have in mind. And in case further breakdown continues and we fully maximize this red target area and maybe continue heading further down, then that would be suggesting another alternative scenario where we can term this whole structure right here as a complete larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And if that is the case, then there are chances that we are now breaking down in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high at around the $0.02887 mark, I get a minimum retracement area for the second wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618. So we can have that target area also on the charts between the $0.02475 mark and the $0.0222 mark. That is the alternative scenario that we need to have in mind in case we fully maximize this blue target area and continue heading further down. But in case we see a reversal within the target area and continue gearing up, then that will be the formation of this wave 5. And once that plays out, we can complete a larger impulse in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we can expect our breakdown move in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2. And this analysis on the 1 hour chart continues to align with what I've been expecting on the long-term point of view here on the Gala Games chart, where I have been saying to you that after seeing our December lows, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1 at around the $0.063 mark. Then afterwards, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 in a move that fully maximized minimum target areas. And there are high chances that we now have a low for that second wave in place. And now Gala Games is now ready for a massive pump in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. And for it to confirm to us that the low is in and the start of an impulse has now started, all we need to see is a complete 5-wave structure to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure. Once you see such a movement on the charts, that will be enough confirmation that the low is in and the start of an impulse has now started. So that is all I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Gala Games chart, and those are my breakdown targets. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 49 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.